right, this is our pots that we've started with seed. Just gonna go through and show you guys what everything is. Marglobe tomatoes, and we're just now, let's see, where is he? He's in there somewhere. Oh, there he is, right there. So we're just now getting some of these to sprout up. This one's a little late. These are the Homesteads, I believe. Yep, Homesteads. We were keeping these in a barrel out in the front yard, and these were late to bloom compared to our other ones that I'll show you in just a minute. So these on the porch, we're doing way better. But right there's one coming up. Right there's one coming up. So these are the ones that have been on the porch. As you can see, these little tomato plants are just loving this area. And it's still, see, there's the garden box that they're eventually going to go in, or the garden is going to be down here. And we're up on the porch. But they are loving the sunlight and everything they're getting here on the porch. So these are the Marglobes. These are the Homesteads. I know I just kind of took a small pinch of seeds and put them in top and stirred them in. So we've got too many plants in one little area. Eventually what we're going to do is kind of, there's a little cluster of them over there. We're going to cull some of these out, leave 2 or 3 plants per pot, and then transfer them that way. We're just going to keep the strongest ones. Another pot here. Jalapenos have been late to bloom, or late to come out of the ground yet. The cilantro is just starting to get going. I don't know if you can see that one right there, but those seeds are starting to crack, and they are starting to put roots down. More cilantro here, same deal, and then hot jalapenos, hot peppers. So that's what we got going so far. We're gonna do blackberries, blueberries, basil, herbs, all sorts of stuff. Maybe even make a potato box as well too, to where we can grow our own potatoes right here in this little courtyard of the backyard. So thanks for checking out the video. If you guys got any questions, let me know.